The Commission may make an order confirming the alteration either wholly or in part and on such terms and conditions as it thinks fit, and make such orders as to costs as it thinks proper. First up, the Commission shall, in exercising its discretion under Section 21 and 22, have regard to the rights and interests of the members of the company or of any class of them, as well as to the right and interests of the creditors, and may, if it thinks fit, adjourn the proceedings in order that an arrangement may be made to the satisfaction of the Commission for the purchase of the interests of dissident members, and may give such directions and make such orders as it may think expedient for facilitating or carrying into effect any such arrangement, provided that no part of the capital of the company may be expended in any such purchase. First up, a certified copy of the order confirming the alteration, together with a printed copy of the memorandum as altered, shall, within 90 days from the date of the order, be filled by the company with the register, and he shall register the same and shall certify the registration under this hand, and the certificate shall be conclusive evidence that all the requirements of this ordinance with respect to the alteration and the confirmation thereof have been complied with, and thenceforth the memorandum so altered shall be the memorandum of the company. First up, where the alteration involves a transfer of the registered office from one province to another, or from the Islamabad capital territory to a province, or from a province to Islamabad capital territory, a certified copy of the order confirming such alteration shall be filled by the company with the registrar in each of such provinces or the Islamabad capital territory, as the case may be, and each such registrar shall register the same and shall certify under his hand the registration thereof, and the registrar for the province or the territory from which such office is transferred shall send to the registrar for the other province or territory all documents